So I got to know about the Rachna's Music Academy from our Dosti WhatsApp groups, and ma'am had posted, and she had posted some feedback also. But what we read there and what I've experienced in class is 1,000 times better, because ma'am has so much deep knowledge about music, about singing. She can correct every small nuance. She knows about teaching how to do alankars, about beats, about every different genres of songs. So she has taught us so many different genres. The song that she pushed me to do in the finale that for the Rockstar concert was a little outside my comfort zone, but she really encouraged me. She said, "You have to take it as a challenge, then you will grow as a singer." And she gave me so many tips and tricks on how to improve, my voice quality, my range, on how to pick up small beats, and to do different songs, different things every day. She used to sometimes give surprise tests. Today I will test Alankar, today I will test beats. So you're constantly, it's fun also, but you are learning at the same time with a great group of people. A lot of confidence for stage singing also on mic. Otherwise, you're not used to it. I really wish a lot of more students join her. I wish I could continue a lot more. And she has given both my son and me a great platform to learn, and as a base to continue and do a lot more. So thank you so much, ma'am, and all the best. And I hope you can do so much more in all your endeavors.
My 8-year-old daughter Tara simply loves Rachna ma'am's class. Rachna ma'am has this special talent of teaching nuances of music to such young children in a very simple manner. And under her guidance, kids have not just picked up singing, but they have also developed deep love for music. And by giving them such platform to perform, she's also helping them develop confidence. Rachna's Music Academy rocks.
रचना म्युझिक अकॅडमी आहे आणि तिथे तुम्ही तुमच्या कलेला, तुमच्या आवडीला, तुमच्या छंदाला तुम्ही वाढवू शकता. आणि तेव्हा ठरवलं की चला जाऊया. घाबरत घाबरतच गेले. म्हटलं पहिल्याच दिवशी माझं काहीतरी वडा आणि मला इकडनं निघावं लागणार. पण इकडे आल्यावर इतका प्रसन्न चेहरा बघितला रचना मॅडमचा, इतका हसतमुख चेहरा बघितला की मनात कुठेतरी उमेद निर्माण झाली की मी गाऊ शकते. आणि त्यांनी इतकं त्याच्यानंतर हळूहळू ही आवड, याचा छंद आणि मग त्याचं वेळ याच्यात जे रूपांतर झालं, त्याच्यामागे त्यांची अथांग मेहनत आहे. एवढे चांगले गुरु मिळाले हा माझं खरं तर नशिबाचा, आनंदाचा भाग आहे की नशिबाने मला इतके चांगले गुरु. आणि माझ्यातलं जे इन्फिनिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स होता तो त्यांनी बाहेर काढला आणि म्हणाले तू गा, प्रॅक्टिस कर. तानसेन होण्यापेक्षा कानसेन हो. जास्तीत जास्त गाणी ऐकत जा, ओरिजिनल गाण्याबरोबर गात जा. ताल काय, अलंकार काय. मी आणि पुनीता खरं तर आम्ही उशिरा जॉईन झालो, आम्हाला बेसिक काहीच होतं. पण तरीही खाडाचे शिक्षक म्हणतात ते असे की पुन्हा बेसिक पासून सुरुवात केली. पण इथे आलं ना की आनंद वाटायचा आणि मन प्रसन्न व्हायचं की कोण काय म्हणेल त्याचा विचार नाही करायचा. आपल्याला आवडतंय ना, आपण गायचं. आणि हा आत्मविश्वास रचना मॅडमनी आमच्या मनात, म्हणजे आमचा आत्मविश्वास आम्हाला मिळवून दिला. आणि ही फक्त सुरुवात आहे. फक्त देवा अहंकार नको देऊ, फक्त शिकायचंय. आणि मी एकच म्हणेन की गुरुनी दिला हा ज्ञानरूपी वसा, आम्ही चालवू हा पुढे वारसा. धन्यवाद.
I have performances for school or anything, she will always support you, no matter what. Like, I remember I have videos of the kids singing songs and stuff that she encouraged me to do. And I was always like, now that I watch it, I feel like I was so bad at it then. But I mean, I felt like a star because she always makes everybody feel like a star, and I just love my mom for that, and I'm so happy that she's my mom because of that.
1 वर्षापूर्वी मी ह्या क्लासला जॉईन झाले आणि जेव्हा ह्या क्लासला जॉईन झाले तेव्हापासून माझी गैरहजेरी पण खूप आहे या क्लासमध्ये. पण ज्या प्रकारे रचना मॅडमनी मला एनकरेजमेंट देऊन हे संपूर्णपणे माझ्याकडून करून घेतलेलं आहे. आणि आज जो काही मी परफॉर्मन्स केलं आहे ते फक्त डॉक्टर रचना पंजाबी मॅडम यांच्यामुळे शक्य झालं आहे. आणि हा एक असा आगळावेगळा क्लास आहे जिथे संपूर्ण सगळे स्टुडंट्स एकत्र येऊन एकमेकांसाठी खूप काही करतात. रचना मॅडम फार अंडरस्टँडिंगने स्टुडंट्सकडून हे सर्व काही करून घेतात. आणि नुसतंच गाणं नाही, गाण्यावर एक आनंदी वातावरण या क्लासमध्ये अतिशय ठेवलं जातं. आणि पुढेही रॉकस्टार 2024 नंतर असे बरेच रॉकस्टार्स 25-26 मध्ये रचना मॅडमने कंटिन्यू करावे. आणि असं सांगून मी त्यांना बेस्ट ऑफ लक देते या सगळ्या गोष्टीसाठी. त्यांनी अशीच पॅशन चालू ठेवावी आणि आमच्यासारखे असे अनेक स्टुडंट्स त्यांनी तयार करावे पुढे पुढे. थँक्यू.
That Sarah is so enthusiastic to come to the class. She is enjoying the singing. Very confidently she is performing and very happy.
माझा मुलगा 6 वर्षाचा आहे यश. तर तो रचना म्युझिक अकॅडमीमध्ये गाणं शिकतोय. खूप एन्जॉय करतो, म्हणजे म्युझिक गाणं तर खूप असं कधी बसला कधी कारमध्ये फिरायला निघाला तरी तो स्वतः गुणगुणत राहतो. तर बिकॉज ऑफ रचना मॅडममुळे.
Anybody else wants to give a feedback online?
Hello everyone, my name is Dipali and I am Rachna Madam's friend since school. I have seen her passion for singing, music, and dancing. Yeah, she is a very good dancer too, since we were kids. It is amazing how she has carried her passion all the way along with her professional life, her family, and her health challenges. This is a very good opportunity for the kids and the moms who are part of this academy. I would like to congratulate you all at RMA for this wonderful performance. I'm really fascinated, especially with the adult batch and all the super moms who have taken this step to learn something new, taking time off from their busy routine. And I feel now for the moms, you can proudly just show off at parties or get-togethers with your singing, whatever you're learning at RMA. So I would just encourage you guys to continue this, and all the best for all the RMAs. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepa. So she is my school friend and she is attending this from USA. Preeti, I can see you. I want you to speak something. Come on.
For me, been a life-changing kind of an experience. I mean, it's not just about being encouraged, inspired, trained to fulfill your dreams of singing, but even the energy, the positivity, and the way Rachna ma'am kind of takes you through a journey that disciplines your mind, also makes you feel happy every time you are in the class, when you leave the class, when you're not in the class, and you practice what you have learned. So the journey has been wonderful, and I can't thank Rachna ma'am enough. And I still remember the day when I said I'm not too sure, to today when I say I want to attend and I want to have a class every day of the week. So thank you so much, Rachna ma'am. It has meant a lot to me, and it will always mean a lot to me.
Thank you very much, all of you, offline, online audience,